Well, today I'm going to show you the historical overview of computer system development. Uh, the history of computers starts from abacus. The abacus was an early aid for mathematical computations. The abacus is often wrongly attributed to China. The oldest surviving abacus was used in 300 BC by the Babylonians. A skilled abacus operator can work on addition and subtraction problem at the speed of person equipped with a hand calculator. The abacus is still in the use today, principally in the Far East. The other is the Pascaline. In 1942, Pascal at age 19 invented the Pascaline as an aid for his father, who was a tax collector. Up until the present age, when a car dashboard went digital, the odometer portion of the car speedometer used the very same mechanism as the Pascaline to increment the next wheel after each full revolution of the previous wheel. Pascal went on to invent probability theory, the hydraulic press, and the syringe. Puncher card. This is special in 1801. The Frenchman Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a power loom that could base its wave upon a pattern automatically read from punched wooden cards held together in a long rope by rope. Descendants of this punched card have been in use ever since. The 19th century inventors of computers, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computers. 1800 planned analytical engine, Babbage's difference engine. By 1822, the English mathematician Charles Babbage was proposing a steam-driven calculating machine, the size of from which he called the difference engine. This machine would be able to compute tables of numbers such as logarithm table. The idea for general purpose driven computers program stored on a punch card. This Charles Babbage has 4 subsystem memory, arithmetic logic units, operator control units, programs documented by Ada Augusti, Countess of Lovalin's first programmers. The other one is Mark I. The computer was made in 1844. This is a special step in computer history because Mark I is the first automatic digital computer in the world. The birth of computers in 1940 to 1950 in the United States. The ENIAC was built at the University of Pennsylvania by J. Percival Eckert and John Marchley. ENIAC developed at the end of World War II, funded by Defense Department for use of the World War. Is completed in 1946, counting 18,000 working tubes and weight 30 tons. The ENIAC computer was very large in size. This technology's vacuum tube was the first general purpose computers. The first generation from 1950 to 1959 UNIVAC. Especially this computer was made in 1951. Universal automatic calculator. This computer was faster and smaller than ENIAC Mark I computers. Started by Eckert and Markle, sold to Remington Rand, made famous by predicting Hell's Hall landslide. Then IBM 650 got late start in 1953 but captured the market away from the UNIVAC. Generally, the computers built during the World War, known as the first generation of computer. These are considered as the first computer and were extremely different from the computers we see today. They were designed for specific tasks. This primitive computer relied on vacuum tubes and magnetic drums. The first generation of computer also extremely slow. Second generation, 1959 to 1965, when the vacuum tube replaced by transistors. This computer make use of the transistor invented by Bell Telephone Laboratory. They had many of the same components as the modern day of computers. This typically had printers, some sort of tape or disk storages operating the system store program as well as some sort of memory. These computers were also generally more reliable and they were sold in designs and difficulty of programming computers overcome by high-level languages, Fortran and COBOL. Third generation of computer from 1965 to 75. This is much smaller in size than the second and first generation computers. This is because this newer computer made us integrated circuits and semiconductors. The wiring problem was solved. It also contained operating system which acts as overseers to performance of the computer and which allow computers to run different programs at once. So the first small computer built on sold government on-board computer for Apollo 11, first man on moon, on-board computer for guided missiles. Another function of operating system is to make sure everything is flowing smoothly inside the computer, made the transition from transistor to integrated circuit and from punch card to electric computer system. Fourth generation from 1975 to 85. The fourth generation of computers are marked by the usage of integrated circuit and microprocessor. Computers become smaller and smaller and their price become lower and lower. Millions of components could be placed onto single silicon chips, so allowed mass production of throwaway computers. Apple 1978 first affordable commercial microcomputer and developed by Jobs and Wozniak. IBM PC 1981 took major part of the market away from the Apple. The IBM personal computer first sold in 81 was quickly accepted by business. IBM compatible soon developed. The Macintosh 1984 first graphical interface Microsoft Windows for IBM PC 1990. Computers become more efficient and more reliable and they could perform more and more operations. They began to catch the eye of general public and so on. More sophisticated software and equipment were designed. Network became commonplace and the whole world was connected by the internet and by worldwide. Fifth generation from 1885 to present. These computers are only in the mind of advanced research scientists and are being tested out in the laboratories. This computer will be under artificial intelligence network computers, versatile input-output, multimedia graphics, artificial intelligence neural network. The many of the operation which requires low human intelligence will be performed by these computers. The parallel processing is coming and showing the possibility that the power of many CPUs can be used side by side. Computer will be more powerful than those under central processing. Advances in superconductor technology will greatly improve the speed of information traffic. This is the history and the generation of computer. Thank you. Well, today I'm going to show you